Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven Janelle and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a braid down or a frontal install or like a wig install or even a sew-in, honestly. My braid downs are pretty simple. I just do straight backs. So yeah, it's going to be pretty easy, but the more braids, the more cornrows that you do, the flatter it will be. So I'll just be doing 10. But yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start out by combing my hair out a little bit. And first I'm gonna part my hair straight down the middle, just so I know, so when I know I'm like halfway there. So now that I've parted my hair down the middle, I'm just gonna I wanted to show y'all how it was in the middle. I don't even know if it's in the middle because, you know, I can't see the back, but yeah. So now that I have my hair parted out, I'm gonna start on this side. And since I said I'm gonna do 10, I'm gonna just kind of map out where I want my braids before I actually part them out. So yeah. Now I'm going to take some Shine and Jam. I'm not going to define my part just because these braids are going to be under a wig, so they don't have to look perfect. But I'm going to first comb out my hair. And now I'm getting the Shining Jam and I'm going to put it like on the front part, like my edges and stuff. Just try to, you know, get it in there. Make it kind of straight. Get on the kitchen. So yeah, now I'm gonna start braiding. Let me just take out the first piece so I can start braiding. Now that I got my first braid, I'm gonna do my second braid and I'm gonna connect the first braid with the second braid, but I'm gonna show y'all how I'm about to do that. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this braid. I'm gonna take some Shine Jam and I'm gonna just put it on the front. Really, you don't need this much, but I was just trying to show y'all. You see how I got it flat like that? You always want to make sure your braid down is very flat for a wig install, because it's going to help make your lace, it will help it melt much nicer, and it will make it look more flat and like it's coming from your scalp. So now that I'm like halfway with my braid, I'm gonna take this first braid and I'm gonna bring it up into this one. So I already got my first two braids. Now I'm about to start working on the third one. But yeah, following the same steps of like parting and then getting the shine and jam and putting it on like the front, like on my edges and around the braid a little bit, and then just braiding and then tucking the previous braid into the braid that I'm braiding. But I'm gonna show y'all again. now that I finished one side, I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and I'm gonna come back, let you guys know how it turns out. So yeah. So now y'all, I got all my braids. These are what they're looking like. And I just tucked in the last final braid. I just tucked it in between my other braids. Like the holes that it makes, I just tucked it like under there. Cause I know some people like they sew the braid, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So I just tucked it in. And yeah, now you're ready to slap your wig on, you know, do your whole wig cap and all that. And yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Also, please subscribe and comment any other videos you would like to see me do. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.